Hello YouTubers, I'm Parways and this is our 9th video in Python 3 basic programming language. In the previous video we have learned about while loop. In this video we are going to talk about for loop. So a for loop is used for iteration over a sequence. So never mind that this sequence is a list or a tuple or a dictionary or a string. So now let me show you an example. For example, I have a list of programming languages. For example, in here I have, let me bring it like this, Python, I have Java, I have C++, PHP, and C. Okay. Now these are the programming languages that I have. Now I want to iterate on this list. You can simply use for loop. So for x in P language, and we are going to simply print the x. So now let me run this. Now you can see I have successfully iterated on these on the list. Also, you can loop through a string. For example, I have a string in here. Let me write Python and Python for x in Python and print x. Now, if I run this, you will see that I have iterated on Python. Also, you can use break in for loop, break statement. So let me show you an example. For example, I have this list P language in here. Now in this section I want to iterate on my dat for x and on that list P language, and now I'm going to create if x is, for example, PHP, I want to break the statement, and after that let me print the x. So now let me run this. Now you can see it iterated, and on Python, Java, C++, when it comes to the PHP, it will break the statement. Also, you can use the range function in Python, loops for loop. So for x in range 6, so I want to print 6 times the hello world. Now let me run it. Now you can see I have this hello world. Thank you guys. If you have any question, please let me know, and for the further videos, subscribe to my channel and also like the videos.